How to look inside yourself. Discovering Who You Are, by Carl Jung. As per clinician Carl Jung, the main portion of life is dedicated to framing a sound self-image. The final part is going internal and relinquishing it. Jung accepted our vision possibly turns out to be clear when we try to investigate our own hearts. In the exemplary present-day man looking for a spirit. To figure out what is genuinely individual in ourselves, significant reflection is required, and unexpectedly, we understand how remarkably troublesome the disclosure of singularity is. Despite the fact that we should all peer inside ourselves, what we find is frequently altogether different. The shoe that fits one individual squeezes another, noticed Jung. There is no recipe for living that suits all cases. Put another way, Jung said, assuming the way before you is clear, you're likely on another person's. Where does one start to find who they truly are? What are the impediments from peering inside oneself's perspective? Being separated from everyone else with yourself is a decent beginning stage, made sense of Jung. The most noteworthy, most definitive experience is to be separated from everyone else with one's own self. You should be separated from everyone else to figure out what upholds you and understand that you cannot help yourself. Just this experience can give you an indestructible establishment. Then, one high priority: the mental fortitude to glimpse inside themselves at their own obscurity. Jung put it along these lines. People will do anything, no matter how absurd, in order to avoid facing their own souls. One does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. In any case, we don't recognize our dimness fully, intent on eliminating it. Jung focused on that completeness isn't accomplished by removing a part of one's overall, yet by incorporating the contraries. Indeed, even a blissful life can't be without a proportion of murkiness, noticed Jung, and the word cheerful would lose its significance on the off chance that it were not adjusted by misery. The equivalent is substantial as far as we're concerned, one priority, a clouded side to be entirety. Jung alluded to our clouded side as the shadow. The shadow is an ethical issue that challenges the entire self-image character, for nobody can become aware of the shadow without significant moral exertion. To become aware of it includes perceiving the dim parts of the character as present and genuine. This act is the fundamental condition for any sort of self-information. Similarly, the savant Nietzsche noted, how might man know himself? He is a thing dark and hidden. Assuming the rabbit has 7 skins, man can project from him multiple times 7 skins and not have the option to say, here you really are, there is skin no more. The method involved with glimpsing inside ourselves is a limitless way. There is no second when we genuinely find who we are, since we and all the other things is continually evolving. We meet ourselves over and over in 1,000 camouflages on the way of life, essentially that is the manner by which Jung put it. Much obliged to you for perusing. I want to believe that you found something valuable. We are going to make a detailed video for how to look inside yourself. To watch that, subscribe and press the notification bell for all.
Thank you for being with us. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.